There was a young sister, no older than 20 or 22, who was experiencing something strange. One night around 2 a.m., her father was woken up by her screaming. She was upstairs, shouting, "No, leave me alone," and had her hands out as though something was pulling her down the stairs. Her father rushed to her and he saw her being dragged down by her hair, as if some force was trying to take her out of the house. When he went downstairs, the sister was lying on the couch, seemingly asleep. But when he started speaking directly to the Jinn in English, the situation escalated quickly. The sister began to react violently, and the voice of a man came out of her saying terrible things. The Jinn started threatening the father, saying it would kill him and take his daughter away. It claimed that the sister was its wife, saying, "She belongs to me, I married her, I will destroy your family." The father was extremely worried, but then by Allah's will the sister began to remember bits and pieces of what had been happening. One night, she told her father that this started 2 years ago when she was in her room late at night on her phone. She said she heard someone calling her by name, and when she looked up, it was an old man with no feet. She didn't feel afraid, and in fact, she started to enjoy his company. He became her friend and would take her back to old memories of her childhood. The Jinn would tell her stories of distant places and adventures, which she enjoyed. But then, things began to change. The Jinn started telling her, "You need to come with me. I am your husband now and you will go with me." It promised her more of those distant places and adventures. The father stayed up all night the next day, talking to his daughter about what had happened. She then confessed that the Jinn would often appear to her as a young man. This man looked to be in his 20s, but he was huge, extremely strong, and would take control of her. She said the Jinn forced himself on her, and she didn't remember much after that. The father was devastated, as it became clear the sister had been assaulted by this evil entity. Now, after much struggle, the sister was free from the Jinn. She said, "For the last 2 years I don't know where my life went. I was like I was asleep, unaware of what was happening to me. With the permission of Allah, the Jinn finally left her, but it's still lurking nearby, waiting for the next opportunity."